Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we'll be learning the Urdu tenses. As you know, there are three time frames, three tenses, basic ones, which is the present, past, and future tense. So we'll start with the present time and the present tense. So let's see that there are four subcategories in the present tense. These subcategories are indefinite, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Indefinite, we'll start with indefinite. Indefinite is that category or that tense where something is a usual thing or it's a habit. For example, if I say that I play, that means that's either I do it usually or this is my habit. So we're going to take this example of I play and we're going to go through the different persons, which are usually three types. First person, singular and plural, which is I and we. And the second person, which is singular and plural, which is you and you. And the third person, singular and plural, which is he and they. Now that is in English, but let's look at the same thing in Urdu. For example, first person singular is I, which is main. And plural is we, which is hum. Then second person singular is you, which is tum in Urdu, and plural is aap, which is you in English. Okay. The third person is in singular is he, which is wo, and then plural is they, which is again wo. Okay, so let's look at this example. In English, it is I play. In Urdu, we'll say मैं खेलता हूँ. As you can see it here in the red highlight letters, मैं खेलता हूँ. This is a romanization of Urdu. So I play in English, and in Urdu, मैं खेलता हूँ. मैं खेलता हूँ. The plural would be हम खेलते हैं. First person plural, हम खेलते हैं. Now let's move to second person singular. तुम खेलते हो. You play. तुम खेलते हो. And plural you play. आप खेलते हैं. आप खेलते हैं. Let's move to the third person singular. He plays. वो खेलता है. And if this was she plays, then it will become वो खेलती है. And the plural is they play. वो खेलते हैं. वो खेलते हैं. So this is the indefinite where something is a habit or usually happens. This was present indefinite. Now let's move to present continuous. The difference between the indefinite and the continuous is that in continuous something is happening as we speak. Okay? So instead of saying I play, we say I am playing. First person singular would be मैं खेल रहा हूँ. मैं खेल रहा हूँ. As you can notice here that in the first person singular indefinite, it was मैं खेलता हूँ. ता हूँ और ता है or ता हैं is sign of the indefinite present tense. ता हूँ या ते हैं etc. is the present indefinite, while in the continuous, in the present time or present tense, it is रहा हूँ या रहे हैं. रहा हूँ या रहे हैं या रहे हो etc. So I'm playing. मैं खेल रहा हूँ. You are playing. Sorry, we are playing. हम खेल रहे हैं. You are playing. तुम खेल रहे हो. And you're playing plural. आप खेल रहे हैं. Third person singular. He's playing. वो खेल रहा है. And plural. They're playing. वो खेल रहे हैं. Okay. Now let's move to the present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is the one where something has just finished happening. Okay, it has culminated or it has finished. So, taking the same example of playing, I have played. मैं खेल चुका हूँ. Here you see, चुका हूँ is or चुके हैं is how the sentence Urdu sentence finishes. So, I have played. मैं खेल चुका हूँ. We have played. हम खेल चुके हैं. You have played. तुम खेल चुके हो. You have played. तुम खेल चुके हो. And plural. आप खेल चुके हैं. आप खेल चुके हैं. Then third person singular. वो खेल चुका है. Again. वो खेल चुका है. And plural. वो खेल चुके हैं. वो खेल चुके हैं. Okay. Now let's move to the last part of the continuous tense, present perfect continuous. Here something has been happening in the recent time. So I have been playing. By the way, the use of this tense, present perfect continuous, is not that much in the daily spoken language. However, for the sake of record, we're going through it. So in case if you hear something like that, if you have to talk in a way which is from the perfect continuous tense, then you know how to say the words. So I have been playing. मैं खेलता रहा हूँ. हम खेलते रहे हैं. तुम खेलते रहे हो. आप खेलते रहे हैं. वो खेलता रहा है. वो खेलते रहे हैं. So that is your present tense, and it has all its four parts: indefinite, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Now let's take another example. Okay, so instead of I play, let's say that I walk. Okay, so let's see how would we say this. Now it's not mentioned here, so I'm just going to say it, and you can follow me. I walk. मैं चलता हूँ. We walk. हम चलते हैं. You walk. तुम चलते हो. You walk. आप चलते हैं. He walks. वो चलता है. She walks. वो चलती है. They walk. वो चलते हैं. Okay, this is indefinite. Now let's move to continuous. I am walking. मैं चल रहा हूँ. हम चल रहे हैं. तुम चल रहे हो. आप चल रहे हैं. वो चल रहा है या वो चल रही है. वो चल रहे हैं. Okay, now perfect. I have walked. मैं चल चुका हूँ. हम चल चुके हैं. तुम चल चुके हो. आप चल चुके हैं. वो चल चुका है या वो चल चुकी है. वो चल चुके हैं is the plural, third person. Okay. Now, perfect continuous. I have been walking. मैं चलता रहा हूँ. हम चलते रहे हैं. तुम चलते रहे हो. आप चलते रहे हैं. वो चलता रहा है या वो चलती रही है. वो चलते रहे हैं. So this was the second example. The first one was I play, and the second one was I walk. So just to repeat it, that in indefinite you see ta hoon ya te hain. In continuous you see raha hoon ya rahe hain, etc. In perfect you see chuka hoon ya chuke hain, and in perfect continuous you see ता रहा हूं या ते रहे हैं. ता रहा हूं या ते रहे हैं. So this was our present tense with its 4 parts: indefinite, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. The next one we will do is the past tense. Okay, now we will be doing the past tense. Again, it has the 4 parts: indefinite, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous, just like before. And it has the 3 persons: the first person, second person, and third person. First person is somebody who is talking. Second person is somebody who is being talked to. And third person is somebody who's sometimes being talked about. And then for each of these persons, you have singular and plural. I and we, you and you, he and they. Okay, so let's have the same example, the first example, where now it will be, instead of I play, it will be I played. Now, how would you say in Urdu? I played. मैं खेलता था. We played. हम खेलते थे. You played. तुम खेलते थे. And you played again. आप खेलते थे. Third person singular. He played. वो खेलता था. And plural. They played. वो खेलते थे. You can see here, instead of, as in the present tense, it was ta hai, etc. Here, tha. It has tha and the. Okay. Now continuous. I was playing. मैं खेल रहा था. हम खेल रहे थे. तुम खेल रहे थे. आप खेल रहे थे. वो खेल रहा था. And वो खेल रहे थे. That was the continuous tense. Now, the perfect, the past perfect. I had played. मैं खेल चुका था. Okay, मैं खेल चुका था, and plural. हम खेल चुके थे. Second person singular. तुम खेल चुके थे. आप खेल चुके थे. Third person singular. वो खेल चुका था. In the case of a girl, वो खेल चुकी थी. And the plural, वो खेल चुके थे. वो खेल चुके थे. Now, the last one is perfect continuous. I had been playing. मैं खेलता रहा था. हम खेलते रहे थे. तुम खेलते रहे थे. आप खेलते रहे थे. वो खेलता रहा था. वो खेलते रहे थे. So that finishes the past tense and its different versions: indefinite, continuous, etc. and first, second, third person, singular and plural. Now we're going to go to the future tense. Okay, now we're in the future tense. We start with future indefinite. First person, singular. I will play. मैं खेलूंगा. Here you can see that the verb has changed to ga and ge. खेलूंगा and खेलूंगे. खेलेंगे. Or if there was another verb like chalunga, like I'll walk, तो मैं चलूंगा, चलेंगे. But at the end, it's ga, ge, etc. Okay, so I will play. मैं खेलूंगा. We will play. हम खेलेंगे. You will play. तुम खेलोगे. And you will play plural. आप खेलेंगे. Singular third person, he will play. वो खेलेगा. Or in case of a girl, वो खेलेगी. And the plural, they will play. वो खेलेंगे. वो खेलेंगे. That was indefinite. Now continuous. Future continuous. I will be playing. मैं खेल रहा हूँगा. We will be playing. हम खेल रहे होंगे. You will be playing. तुम खेल रहे होगे. You will be playing. Second person plural. आप खेल रहे होंगे. Third person. He will be playing. वो खेल रहा होगा. Or वो खेल रही होगी in the case of lady or girl. And plural, they will be playing. वो खेल रहे होंगे. Now let's move to the perfect, future perfect tense. I will have played. मैं खेल चुका हूँगा. He will have played. We will have played. हम खेल चुके होंगे. You will have played. तुम खेल चुके होगे. And आप खेल चुके होंगे in case of plural. Third person, he will have played. वो खेल चुका होगा या वो खेल चुकी होगी. And वो खेल चुके होंगे. वो खेल चुके होंगे. They will have played. Now the last part is perfect continuous. I will have been playing. मैं खेलता रहा हूँगा. We will have been playing. हम खेलते रहे होंगे. You will have been playing. तुम खेलते रहे होगे. And for plural, आप खेलते रहे होंगे. He will have been playing. वो खेलता रहा होगा. In case if it's a girl, वो खेलती रही होगी. And lastly, you will have been playing. वो खेलते रहे होंगे. So these are your 3 tenses and their 4 parts and their 3 persons, singular and plural. So I hope this exercise was beneficial for you. If you have any questions, please let me know. And I hope you enjoyed it also. We'll see you later. Khuda Hafiz.